Hello everyone. Our topic name is conjugate of a complex number. So watch the complete video and learn how to get the conjugate of a complex number. We know that let z is equal to a plus iota b is a complex number. We know where A, B belongs to R. That means A and B are real number and iota is equal to root under minus 1. That means we know iota is an imaginary number equal to root under minus 1. Right. All videos are available in playlist. You can watch the videos and get full concept of this chapter, complex number. Then conjugate of z is denoted as z bar. What is this? This is z bar. It is denoted by z bar. What? Conjugate of a complex number is denoted by z bar. Clear? Z bar is equal to a minus iota b. That means change the sign of imaginary part of z. We get the conjugate of this complex number. Clear? What is this? This denote conjugate of Cn, complex number. Right. See the example here. First example z is equal to 4 plus 3 iota. Therefore conjugate of z is equal to 4 minus 3 iota. Clear? Second, z is equal to minus 1 minus root under 3 iota. Therefore conjugate of z is equal to minus 1 plus root under 3 iota. Some students confused here. Minus 1 become plus 1. No. Only change the sign of imaginary part. Clear? See some examples. More examples. Third, z is equal to minus 4, right, plus 5 iota. Then z bar is equal to minus 4 minus 5 iota. Fourth example is z is equal to only 3. This is real part, so no sign change. Therefore z bar is equal to only 3. But if z is equal to 3 iota, then z bar is equal to minus 3 iota. Right. We change the sign of imaginary part only. Right. Now we write some results. We can see some result on the conjugate of a complex number, which help us in various solving the various examples, various problems. Right. And some relation between conjugate, multiplicative inverse and modulus of a complex number also. See here. See here. Important results here. Important results. What are the important results here? See, first result is z double conjugate is equal to z. Conjugate of conjugate is equal to z. Right? Example, if z equal to 3 plus 4 iota, then z double conjugate equal to what? We write same to same 3 plus 4 iota is your final answer, right? Second result is z plus z conjugate is equal to 2 into real part of z. What do you mean by this result? Example here. If z is equal to 5 plus 12 iota, then z plus z conjugate is equal to 5 plus 12 iota plus 5 minus 12 iota. 5 minus 12 iota is what? Z minus z conjugate. You write here plus 5 minus 12 iota. That means what is this? This is the conjugate of 5 plus 12 iota. 12 iota is cancel out, 5, 5, 10. This is process. But directly we can write from this question z plus z conjugate equal to what? 2 into real part. So 2 into real part. What is real part? 5. 2 into 5 equal to 10. Directly we can use this property. But this is process. So always remember this result, very important result here. Third result is z minus z conjugate is equal to what? 2 iota into imaginary part of z, right? Fourth example is z conjugate modulus of z is equal to modulus of z conjugate. Always remember this is very important result for you. Fifth result is z 1 plus minus z2 conjugate here, z1 conjugate plus conjugate of z2. 6 z1 into z2 conjugate of z1 into z2 is equal to conjugate of z1 into conjugate of z2, right? See here, 7 property. z1 upon z2 conjugate of z1 upon z2 is equal to what? z1 conjugate upon z2 conjugate. These are some important property, but one property is here. Number 8 properties. Z inverse is equal to what? Z inverse is equal to z in conjugate upon modulus of z square. Very important property here. Very important property. So now see the example on this property. If z is equal to 3 plus 4 iota, find mi, multiplicate inverse, that means z to the power minus 1. Directly we use z is equal to 3 plus 4 iota, that means z inverse of z is equal to conjugate of z is upon square of modulus of z. That means 3 minus 4 iota, and we can find mod z is equal to what? Square of 3 9, square of 4 16, root, taking root we get 5, that means upon 25. It becomes 3 upon 25 minus 4 upon 25 iota. What is 5? 5 is the modulus of z. We can know how to find the modulus of z. How to find the modulus of z? Mod z is equal to root under a square plus b square. You know, using this formula we get 3 to the square, 3 square equal to 9, 4 square equal to 16. Taking root we get 5 finally. So putting 5 here, 5 square equal to 25, and expand there. Expand this, we get 3 by 25 minus 4 by 25 iota. So these are the very important properties of conjugate of a complex number, right?